Hey guys, it's Renee. I think right now I'm really just a nobody. Like I live in St. Paul, Minnesota. I don't have a car, so I don't travel outside of here very much. And what I know in this moment is like I hate everything. I am aware that I'm using like this much of what I'm capable of. I don't feel challenged. I feel really bored by where I am, by just my life. Like everything just feels terrible to me, and I don't know how to fix it. And I think people tell you like, oh, well, just be grateful and love what you have and where you are. And I'm very grateful for it all. Like I'm so grateful for my family. I'm grateful for all of the love um, and the gifts they've given me. I'm so grateful to be in this apartment that I love. I'm so grateful to have had all of the opportunities that I've had. But I'm at this point where I'm like, what is next? Like what's next? What's next and what's the point? What's next and what's the point? I think is where I am. I just keep doing that and saying that and thinking about that. And I don't know if I know, but I would like to find out. I think if I'm going to keep living here on this planet, then I I should spend some time finding out for myself. Like what's the truth? What's the truth about life? I guess if there is such a thing. I don't think anybody has found it. Maybe they have, but maybe I want to find out what it is for me. Like what is it for me? What is it? What is my unique value that I have to add to this world? What is my unique value that I have to bring to help others? What is my unique value that gives me purpose in life? And um, I keep making art, and I keep like not believing in myself, and I get really down. Like when I don't believe in myself and I allow other people to take over and to like take control of what I'm doing and um, seeing who they believe me to be, it really is hurtful and damaging to myself. And sometimes they see me as like a really amazing human, and sometimes they see me, like maybe as like a needy victim or something. I don't really know. But what I do know is that how I see myself is really important. I like to show up and be confident in my skills and my abilities. I like to show up and be like in command of myself, my mind, my body, and my spirit, like working together in sync. I like to work from my heart. I like things to be true in my heart. Um, I like I like believing in the goodness of other people and their ability to do great things in the world. And I haven't been the best at believing those things about myself, I guess, or I haven't even thought about it. But what I know is um, I don't know very much at all, is what I know. And what I do know changes, but I know when I find something that's real and true, I can apply it in an area of my life and it works. And what I do know is that in any situation, like I can stay calm and solve the problem. And what I do know is that I have a family that loves and cares about me very much, no matter what. And what I do know is that I'm capable of something and I'm going to find out what it is, and I'm just going to keep trying until I do, because I don't want to live here in St. Paul and go back to getting a corporate job and walk around this city and go to the same places and have brunch and coffee. Like, please, if that's my life, kill me, because I'm sure it's a lot of your lives and I'm sure it's really wonderful, but I can't do it. I can't have that life, okay? I can't have it. I can't have that life. So I'm saying it out loud to you because I am adamantly refusing at this time to allow that to become my life. I will not stay here and let that become my life. And so, what do I need to do to move myself out of that? I have to allow myself to be a leader. I have to build a business that makes money, and I have to trust myself. I have to show up and be disciplined. I have to do my workouts. I have to make my art. I have to put myself out there no matter what. I have to be professional and also empathetic and connected, to people. I have to be honest and open about what I'm experiencing and what's happening in my world. And I have to be able to articulate that in a way that people understand. And I have to be kind of down to earth. And I have to talk about my failings, and I have to talk about my successes, and I have to talk about everything. And I can't be afraid to ask for support back. And I can't be afraid to succeed. And I can't be lazy. But also that means I have to take time to rest, and I have to understand how I work, So those are all the things I can't be. So what are the things that I can be? I can make a plan and show up for it and do it. I can make time to be creative and use my brain and look for opportunities. I can make time to learn. I can make time to market myself. I can make time to look at ideas. I'm a visual person, and I can make time to plan this trip. I'm going to build the bus. I'm going to travel around the world. I'm going to meet people. I want to document it and take photos and videos, and I'm going to put it on YouTube, and it's going to be great. And I'm going to learn so much about myself and about people and about the world. And that's what I want. That's what I want. I want to learn everything there is to learn about being a human being, That's everything. So that means, I'm getting so excited. Okay, so let's talk about this more. So that means I'm going to learn about food and about cooking, and I'm going to learn about how the body processes food, and how the food nourishes the body and heals the body. I want to learn about how the body moves and works, and how in the muscular system and the limbic system and the emotional centers of our brain and our body. And I'm going to learn about tension, and I want to learn about the mind and how the mind works and the subconscious. And I'm going to learn about fun and enjoyment and experiencing life, experiencing what brings somebody alive. What is it when you see somebody? What is it that switches them on and turns the light on and makes them so excited and so just passionately joyful? And what is it that, okay, this is why I'm doing this. oh, this is why. What is it that just like changes somebody's mind and helps them see the potential in what they're able to do with their life in this world? What is it for me? Maybe that's what I need to be asking. What is it for me that does that? And what would push me and give me the encouragement to go out and do it and just like not be afraid, but just to like do it, you know? And I'm just so excited. I think I'm getting closer, but I need to get this design thing going and get the bus. Get the bus. I need to get the bus. The bus is so important. I need to get the bus. I feel like my mind isn't working very well at the moment. Like it's not like my front, like the person in charge is not there, and I need to bring Renee back into the driver's seat and take control and show up and go hard and do what I do and be professional, be like a professional human and get jobs and get money and put myself out there. It's not about me, because at the end of the day, it's about what I can put in the world that will help others and help me at the same time, you know? I think it's both, always. This is getting me excited right now. I need to move on from St. Paul. There's much more in the world that I would like to experience during my life, and continuing to stay here because of the people that I worked with and helped here, and because of my family, isn't working for me. Although I know all of the goodness and the work that I put in here will pay off in a few years. I think this neighborhood will be really great in a few years, and I think that art will really take off here in a few years. But right now, I don't feel like I belong here, and I think I've changed in some way, and I just want to rediscover who I am at this point, and all of those things that I said are true, and they'll challenge me, and I need to be challenged. I need to be pushed outside of whatever mental space that I'm in right now so that I can grow and develop and change. And I don't know. But that's what I got. So, so there we are. Okay. Perfect. I'm excited. I'm going to be setting some new goals. I'm going to be reflecting a lot and recording it and putting it on here through my process. I'm going to be talking about business and my art and my fitness and my learnings and my experiences with people, the stories, and just rebuilding who I am, you know? And I think it's going to be really special. because I'm not really sure what else to do in life. I'm not really sure what else there is for me to do. I do know that I'm done talking. Like, I don't want to talk to people about it anymore. I just want to do stuff. I just want to do stuff. Oh, maybe I can start here. Let me start in Minnesota. Let me get started here in Minnesota. What a good idea. What could I start with? You can do it, Renee. I believe in you. I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. Believe. I'm just gonna keep believing. We're just gonna keep believing, okay? You're wonderful. You can do it, no matter what. You can do it. 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 Something is wrong though. Something feels like it's missing. I feel really disconnected from the world, from people. Stop talking, start doing, okay? Can you do it? Yes. You just need a plan, that's all. You just need a plan. Okay. I love you, and I'm really grateful for you. You gotta get to work, girl. Get to work, girl. Also, your hair looks really great. Okay, let me mean it.